more about birds. Ollie, you are our feathered friend. Now, let us learn more about other birds like you. Now, let us learn something about the birds around us. These are the birds we see around us many times. Now, we will learn about some special birds. We do not see them around us. They are found in some other countries or away from the cities and towns. We all know that birds can fly. But do you know that there are some birds that cannot fly great heights even though they have wings? Let us learn about these birds. In some countries, the weather is too cold in winter. There is snow during winter. Some birds fly from these countries to warmer countries. These birds are called migratory birds. After the winter is over, they go back to their own country. This is a cockatoos. They are also very colorful. These birds are big in size. Cockatoos are very beautiful birds. Cockatoos are found in South America. Cockatoos build their nests at the top of the trees or in the holes of the thick branches of the big trees. These birds eat fruits and small insects. This is a flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds. They are white in color with dark pink patches on their wings. Many times, these are black and gray or orange in color. These birds travel thousands of miles to warm areas to build nests and lay eggs. Flamingos build their nests on the trees of medium height. Flamingos eat fish and weeds that grow in water. This is a pelican. Pelicans are also big birds, but they are shorter in height. Pelicans have a big beak. Pelicans build their nests on the trees. They eat fish and weeds in the water.